In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add advance payments on Freshbooks. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelance professional, having control over your financial operations is crucial. Freshbooks is known for its user-friendly interface and seamless financial management, and today we'll explore how you can enhance its functionality by incorporating advance payments. This feature will provide you with increased flexibility and control over your financial processes. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is head to your FreshBooks account and navigate to your settings. You can find the settings option on the left-hand side of the dashboard. It's represented by a small gear icon, which is pretty standard across many applications. Clicking this icon is your gateway to a whole suite of customization options, from which you can tailor how FreshBooks works for you. As you open the settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Accounting. This section is where you'll manage the core financial aspects of your FreshBooks account. It's a good place to familiarize yourself with, as it houses many of the important financial settings that you'll adjust as you grow your business. Once you are in the Accounting section, you are going to see an option for Advanced Accounting. This is where the feature for advanced payments resides. To activate it, simply click on the toggle button. This action will enable the Advanced Payments feature, allowing you to start using it immediately. It's worth noting that toggles like this are designed for ease of use. Simply click to turn on or off as needed. With the advanced accounting feature successfully enabled, you now have access to tools that provide more nuanced financial oversight. This enables you to not just log incoming and outgoing transactions, but also manage those that fall outside standard parameters. Advanced payments might include deposits, complex invoicing schedules, or transactions that need more detailed recording than standard entries. Setting these up in FreshBooks will help ensure your accounts stay reconciled and accurate, reducing the potential for errors and financial headaches. As you use advanced payments, you can better align your financial reporting with how your business truly operates. Remember, having these sophisticated features at your disposal doesn't mean you need an accounting degree to make sense of them. FreshBooks maintains its reputation for simplicity even when you're venturing into more advanced options. So there you have it, a quick guide to adding advanced payments on FreshBooks. By following these straightforward steps, you can leverage the full power of FreshBooks to keep your financial operations running smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on mastering FreshBooks.